Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see saved reels on Facebook. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Facebook app here. And I'm just going to tap on some of these reels, and let's just say I want to save this reel to watch later. So I can tap the three dots at the very bottom right here, and then just tap save reel right here. So I have saved this reel. Say you go through a bunch of other reels and you don't remember exactly what that reel was that you saved, then you want to go back and find it. So I can get out of here and just tap on the menu icon at the bottom right, and then you can see midway down on the right is Reels. So I will tap on that shortcut that says Reels, and then at the very top right I will tap on the profile icon. Now it shows that I have 0 reels that I have created, but right under my posts it shows save reels, so I can tap on that, and here it shows that saved reel, and it says this page is only visible to you, so no one else will be able to see which reels you've saved. But you can always go back and rewatch any of these saved reels. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.